sorry. Possible, I borrowed 20 peso from you. Thank you. I will go Alabang.
Alabang.
Yes.
What? Alabang ka.
Alabang City Mall, Star Mall.
Okay.
Yeah. I get the tricycle.
Yeah, you get the tricycle and give me that.
Huh?
Give me that. Because this is so short for your transportation.
God bless you.
Kuya! Sasakay! Yason!
Hindi special ah.
Hindi special
Hindi
ah!
special.
Ayun! Yason! Ali na! Hindi siya marunong. Iyaano
Siya marunong mag-Tagalog.
Sa Yason, sa jeep. Sige. Just wait for a
Wait.
minute.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Iniwan daw kasi siya. Ngayon, parang ibinaba siya ng kasama niya. Wala siyang dalang pera. Ngayon, tinatanong niya paano daw sumakay pa Star Mall. Then sabi ko nga, ibababa ko na lang siya sa may, sa Biason. Then di ba pagdating sa Biason,
Sa amin. Binigyan namin ng 50.
kukulangin nga, wala pa akong pera. Buwan naman, kuya.
15.
Ayun nga, sabi ko sa 50, tapos para bibigyan mo siya ng 50 pesos, para yung pamasahe.
Sa kanya paalabang.
Ng 20 pesos. Sabi ko magkukulang yung 20 mo, ngayon bibigyan ko ng 50. Para pag sakay mo dyan, tapos ang pamasahe mo, maalabang na rin.
Paalabang.
25. Para ano?
Take it on.
Huh?
You ride the tricycle and then you pay 15 pesos only.
Okay.
Tricycle drop you in the jeep and going to Star Mall.
Okay. Thank you.
Iniwan ko siya daw, kuya. Para ano mo siya, ha?
Okay. Thank you.
Kuya, pakisakay sa jeep, ha?
Thank you.
Yes?
Ate, actually, dito, go inside. Go inside. Look there, ate. We are... So, ate, come dito. Dito. So, we are only doing social experiment. Thank you very much. And God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Decide.
Ang hirap makipag-usap.
It's okay, Tagalog.
Kailangan natin tumulong. Kahit maliit na bagay man lang. Kailangan natin tumulong. Hanggat kaya namin. Tumutulong. Maliit o malaking bagay man kung hanggat kaya namin ibigay, tutulong at tutulong.
This one, your auntie?
My grandma.
Your grandma?
Yes.
Okay, maganda before. Same. Same. Thank you. God bless you. Ate, this is your basalabong. And this one for the granny, ha?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. God bless you, ha? Thank you. Can I ask you one more question?
Yes.
How much do you make in one day, like sitting here? Like you take home?
I'm only work here. My salary is only 300 pesos per day. Yes.
Per day. Okay. Denise. And what is this area?
Southville 3.
Southville. This is Muntinlupa.
Muntinlupa, Southville 3.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.